Hello everyone. So this is the activities were scheduled for my to be 3 year old in November. So she is 2.5. So again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'll disclaimer that it's the activity which I have scheduled for them. They might like it, they might do it, they might not do it. But this is what I set up with them in the morning. That let's do some work. So starting with the first, she doesn't like alphabets. She doesn't know alphabets. She's not interested in doing them. She like numbers, but she doesn't recognize numbers, but does count them. And she's learning colors and shapes. Okay, so that is what all this targeted at. So the first one for the Monday, DIYs, dot stickers on the plate, different red, green, yellow, and with cloth pens, red. So she has to put on the red one wherever it is. The motor skill activity and the color recognition. This one is a puzzle, so it's just a printout which I had cut it and put it on the cardboard box, and it's just a 4-piece puzzle. So we are doing jigsaw puzzles of 12 pieces now. It's never bad to brush up. So this is a fire engine, and she has to put them together and see, make a fire engine. Simple. Cut a paper and put it on the cardboard box. We are revising shapes, so the basic shapes. She doesn't know hexagon as of now. That's a new shape for her. So these are the cutouts, and she has to match the shape of them. This is a DIY. We went to an aquarium a few months back, and there was Christmas time. See, it's Christmas time. So just this one is a visual discrimination activity. So there are different animals, and I had 2 pages. So one page I used as a base, and second one I've cut, and she has to find the animal and match it. So that is a visual discrimination activity. This one is a basic, it's a printout from mamadiaries.com from Amrita. So what does a squirrel like to eat? Peanuts. What does a rabbit like? So these are I'll give her this one, and who will eat this one, and she'll say rabbit. She has to join like that. So this activity, and this is again matching activity similar to recognition. So DIY completely. This one will go here like that. She has to join from here to here. And this one is again a printout, not a printout, sorry, it's a cutout from a activity book. So what is different? So this one is different, which is different, this is different. So like that, that's a marker activity for her for a pre-writing skills kind of thing. So that is a Monday. Tuesday, we will be revising colors. So this was an activity which was matching activity, but now because she knows most of the colors, so we just revise them. I have discarded the base sheet because she knows matching, but I'll just ask her the colors now. Like when we start, there's like, what is this color? Purple. What is the color? Yellow. Like that, just revising the colors. This is the counting. So basically she knows counting, but she doesn't recognize the numbers. So 3, 1, 2, she has to count and put the numbers and recognize the numbers. This one is similarity recognition, like what is matching to this octopus, like that. Trying starting with ABC again, which she doesn't seem interested, but still it's a printout. So I've given her the uppercase, and she has to match it and put it like that. ABCDF, these letters. This is again a visual discrimination activity. So they are patterns, they're not colors, and these are the cutouts, and she has to match which one goes here. They're the patterns. So this is for Tuesday. Wednesday, we have the numbers again. So I think numbers are at the bottom. So there's a gingerbread man. She has to count the dots. So either she can count with fingers, or I can give her manipulators, but usually she like counting with fingers. So give her, and then give her the numbers. This time it's the magnetic numbers. She'll match them. This again numbers go there. This again, we are revising shapes. So this is also a matching activity. So I discarded the basic sheet now because she knows the shapes, but to revise, I'll give her the cards and like, what is the shape? Triangle. What is the shape? Star. Like that, we revise our shapes. This is a shadow matching activity. So these are animals, and she loves animals. So she's always into to do with anything with the animals basically. And this is again a pattern recognition. So like which is this animal, and then she's tiger, so like that she has to join it. So different animals are there and she has to match the patterns with it. Then comes to the Thursday. There's a book these are the pocket books which I got for Sanvi long back, her first book basically. And Sia doesn't seem much interested in these books because she likes reading big books, but still this is a very comprehensive book of all the vehicles which we see, which we do not have in Singapore though, but it's good to revise, just to Anna show her which is this one, can you find me a bicycle, and then she'd go through the book and show me a bicycle. So this book we'll read. This one is again a counting activity, so I'll use the manipulators from the first I'll show you this one. This was a DIY. So straw shape, 3 matching ones, which is a shape she has to recognize and then put the clip there. So she doesn't recognize trapezium, she knows heart, and she get confused between rectangle and square. So that's only 3 cards are there, but initially I had made the cards for all the shapes. So because only these 3 she has to work on, so that's why I just kept 3 cards. This was again a counting activity, and this time we have with it the sand letters to recognize the letters again. She knows counting but will recognize, like there are 3 dots, so which number is 3? She's 3. So there are different cards with different number of dots in it. This is a vocab activity I do. So what is this? I have different books, some old activities. I do not throw the cards because they were actually matching cards, but now because they have outgrown that, so I just kept some cards. Okay, so like just ask her, which is this? Leopard. What is this? Elephant. Like, use as a flashcard. Okay, so raccoon. Which is this? Boat. So I have made different packets because I had a lot of cutouts, and randomly I pick up one packet a week, and we revise some basic things, vocabulary building. This is a visual recognition activity. They are apples and she has to match them. This is a pre-writing activity again from a workbook. So like this pot has to go here, she has to join from here to here, like that. And I think this side also is the same activity. So whatever she likes to do, she will do it. Rest she tells me I don't like doing this one, I don't want this one, I don't want to use marker, and like that we take it forward. And the last one is a Friday activity, the manipulators. So this is the one with the shape matching. We have like this, all DIYs, okay, again. So I have put stickers which have different shape, like this looks like a semicircle, this is a oval, there are triangles here, and again I have drawn the shape here, and then she has to recognize which shape is this and then join it. So a marker activity, pre-writing, as well as a shape recognition. And this is a senses activity, so I'm just introducing it to her. She knows that you smell with the nose, but this is a sense. So what will you smell, like that? So again, pre-writing activity, and as well as introduction of the senses game. This is, which one is different? It's again a page from some workbook. So this is different, this is different. She has to circle that one. And this one is a fine matching. So it's a color matching: green, green, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red. This one is fine motor skills. I have buttons and I have pipe cleaners she has to put to them. So these buttons are very tiny buttons. So it would be basically I'm judging her fine motor skills with it. Is she able to do these ones? Because she does beats, I know that. I wanted to see if she has the focus enough to put the pipe cleaner in these small tiny holes of the buttons. So this is again from my bead box. So these activities are always ready in my house. I just pick up randomly and put them in their work boxes. Again, counting, number recognition. So okay, here are the manipulators. So this is the tiles, glass tile. So 1 means put 1, 2 means put 2, like that. So it's just a paper, you can draw yourself, it's a printout, and you can do counting. This is again a color and a visual discrimination activity. So this is like this, she has to match like that. So this will be a visual. So these are all the 5-day activities I have planned for them, and probably by end of week I'll let you know what they did, what they did not do, but just to give an idea of what we do over a week. So thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.